Welcome inside a modern factory where stylish influencer brand clothing is produced.
Skilled workers and advanced machines turn raw fabrics into influencer brand clothing.
Morning, we have the silk and cotton rolls you requested.
Excellent. Everything looks to be in order.
Get that pallet clear of the door. We need the silks on rack 4. Take the next right past the blue racking. Copy that, turning now.
High-quality fabrics are selected to produce durable influencer brand clothing.
Keep it taut, this print needs to be perfect. Almost there. Smooth this section out.
Every influencer brand clothing collection begins with creative fashion design.
I am so thrilled with the production quality here. Look at this detail. It's absolutely perfect.
favorite so far. We really focused on the quality of the stitching this season.
And that's the final box for the morning run. We've got a huge shipment going out today. Make sure you get your orders in.
We need more vibrant colors on this rack. Make sure the lighting hits the sequins just right. Perfect, hold that pose.
We are so excited to show you the new shipment. Everything is packed in our sustainable craft boxes with zero plastic.
Check out the new drop. The colors are insane and perfect for summer. Link in bio to shop the full collection.
Oh my God, feel this silk. It is amazing.
I love it.
Look at this dress over here too. We have to get these for the festival.
This lavender hoodie and sweatpants set is everything. It's incredibly soft and the fit is perfect. Get yours using the link below.
All right, walk towards me now.
Yes.
Swing it out. Beautiful.
Like this?
Perfect. And one more, look over your shoulder. Great shot.
I'm so excited to finally get something from this collection.
Awesome, it looks great. Just tap your phone right here.
Check out this amazing orange and blue set. The comfort level is insane, perfect for hitting the gym or just chilling.
Okay guys, so check out this stitching detail on the joggers. The quality is absolutely amazing. You know, I had to make sure it was perfect for you.
Look at the texture on this linen piece. And this jacket, it's crafted from recycled materials.
Saving for this look. The blazer is everything, and these boots are surprisingly comfortable. Link in bio to shop the full fit. I am obsessed with this orange set, and the fit is absolutely perfect, and it's so comfortable.
You guys, look at this pink blazer. The color is absolutely everything.
I love these sunglasses. They feel so premium.
Right.
I am so excited to finally reveal the new magenta collection. Look at this fabric and the logo detail. I am so excited to finally show you the vibrant collection. This suit is designed to make you feel confident and stylish all summer long.
Look at this incredible display. The colors this season are everything. And the tailoring on this jacket is just unreal.
Welcome back, everyone. Check out the new collection.
The colors this season are absolutely unreal.
I am absolutely loving the drape of this emerald silk blazer. It's the perfect statement piece for any season.
Check out this kimono jacket. The detail on the fuchsia, gold, and emerald green is just stunning. It's pure silk.
I love this color on you.
It's so soft.
Are we ready for the next shot?
The softness of this cashmere is unmatched. We sourced only the finest materials for this collection.
The texture on this velvet is incredible. I know, right? It feels so premium.
Seriously, this is the softest hoodie I own, right? I'm obsessed with this color. Don't you just love these new designs?
They are definitely my favorite.
We look incredible in them. Oh my God, look at this hoodie.
I know, it's totally giving main character energy.
I am so hyped for this. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, look at this colorway. And the stitching on this logo is perfect.
And here is the final look. I love how the green pops against the neutral tones. What do you guys think of this outfit?
You can see the high stitch count per inch. The overlock is clean and the seam integrity